When it comes to boosting the visual appeal of your home, few upgrades make as immediate and lasting an impact as custom windows. For homeowners in Coppell, where neighborhood aesthetics, home value, and architectural harmony are key, investing in custom windows is more than just a design choice. It's a smart move for both function and curb appeal. Here's how custom windows can transform your Coppell home's exterior and leave a lasting impression. Personalized style that complements your home. Custom windows allow homeowners to tailor design, shape, size, and grille patterns to match or elevate their home's architectural style. Whether you live in a contemporary suburban home or a charming brick colonial, custom windows let you highlight your home's best features rather than settling for cookie-cutter designs. In Coppell's diverse neighborhoods, standing out with tasteful elegance or blending in with refined uniformity can be achieved simply by customizing your window styles. From arched transoms to geometric windows or sleek, modern casement designs, custom windows create a visual statement that sets your home apart. Color and frame options that pop. Standard window frames usually come in a limited set of colors. Custom windows, however, open the door to a wide variety of frame materials and finishes that can be matched with your exterior paint, trim, or roofing. For example, if your Coppell home has warm earthy tones, you might opt for wood grain finishes or bronze frames to blend seamlessly. Prefer a more modern look? Matte black or white vinyl frames can deliver that clean, high-contrast curb appeal many new buyers love. The ability to choose color and frame design ensures that your windows enhance, not clash with, your home's overall appearance. Better proportions and symmetry. Sometimes standard-size windows don't fit the original layout of a house well, especially in older homes or when additions have been made. This can lead to visual imbalance, awkward framing, or lost symmetry. Custom windows are built to fit your home exactly, filling spaces evenly, aligning with rooflines, and complementing architectural details like dormers, shutters, or stonework. The result? A more harmonious, well-proportioned facade that catches the eye for all the right reasons. More natural light, better views. Natural light is a hallmark of high-end design and a powerful element of curb appeal. Custom windows let you maximize sunlight and outdoor views in ways that standard windows simply can't. In Coppell's sunny climate, custom windows designed to face east or west can brighten your interiors while adding visual depth to your exterior. Bay and bow windows, for example, not only create space inside but add architectural interest from the curb. Clear, low reflectivity glass or decorative grills can further enhance that open, polished look that modern homeowners seek. Boosting home value and buyer appeal. When it comes time to sell your Coppell home, first impressions matter. Upgraded, stylish windows are one of the first things potential buyers notice. Custom windows send a message that your home is well maintained, thoughtfully updated, and energy efficient, all major pluses for resale value. According to industry data, window upgrades can provide a return on investment, ROI, of up to 70% or more. Custom windows, in particular, tend to increase buyer interest and perceived property value, especially in competitive markets like Coppell. Energy efficiency that complements style. Custom doesn't mean sacrificing performance. In fact, most custom windows today include advanced energy-saving features such as low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, UV blocking technology, multi-pane glass. These features improve your home's thermal performance while maintaining a clean, stylish appearance. You'll enjoy lower utility bills, reduced indoor fading, and a more comfortable home, without compromising curb appeal. Final thought. Custom windows are a game changer for Coppell homeowners looking to enhance both form and function. From tailored aesthetics and improved symmetry to energy savings and increased home value, custom windows deliver long-lasting benefits. If you're ready to refresh your home's exterior and stand out in your neighborhood, consider working with a local window expert in Coppell to explore custom solutions tailored just for you.